Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cheesy noodles at home with pepperoni. So first I'm going to add the water, then I'm adding my noodles in the pan, and I'm using 2 noodles. I'm just going to let that boil in the pan with the water until it's soft. Once it has softened, I'm going to grab my fork and just mix it along just like this. So I'm just going to add some pepperoni, but it's hot. So I'm just going to cut this in pieces. After I cut that in pieces, I'm going to put it in the noodles in the pan. Then I'm just going to stir it up till it's all mixed together. Then I'm just going to add the soy sauce. I'm using 2. Then I'm just going to spread all the soy sauce around the noodles. Then I'm just going to stir the noodles around so the soy sauce can get in the noodles. Now I'm adding my grated mozzarella cheese. So I'm just putting it everywhere and mixing it till it melts. I'm gonna add more cheese on the noodles. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing, mix it until it melts. Adding seasoning on top of noodles. So once that is done, I'm gonna mix it all together so the seasoning has melted inside. This is the final results of the cheese noodles with pepperoni, and it's easy to make at home. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.